Alright, so I've got some intake air bleeds that I'm wanting to change out. And I don't really want to go through the whole hassle of pulling the entire carburetor off. So, what I have done is just taken a small piece of tubing and I crammed a Phillips head screwdriver in there and lit it up with a lighter just to heat it up. Intake air bleeds are right at 1/4 inch. So let's see if I can get in here and film this at the same time. And I think this stuff is like some sort of washer tubing or something like that. I can't remember exactly where I got it from or what it actually is. It's just clear tubing, but once you get it swelled up there, you can take and pull your jet out. Because if you're like me, you can't get your damn big ass finger down in there to get the bleeder out. So just take it in there. Installation is a reverse of removal. So there you go. Hope that's helpful.